Today I'm going to show you how to make a Luigi me. I just uploaded my how to make a Mario me. So if you want to see that, I'll be putting the link in the description. So go check that out if you want to. Okay. Now let's go. I'll have this face. None of these, and this colour. Hang on, let me update the eyebrows pretty quick. Hang on. Oh, hang on. I think I'll make them up a bit. Maybe in a bit. Yeah. So the eyebrows will be like that. I just updated them. So hang on, let me get a closer look and a longer look. But you can pause the video anytime you need to, that's absolutely fine. Why would it not be fine? Yeah, make them black. I want these ones. I'll show you for a bit longer. Oh, you can put, like I said, you can pause though. So, the eyes, you need to use these eyes. You can do these positions. And this colour eyes. Now for the nose, you'll need this nose. And you'll need these positions. And you'll need this mouth, these positions. And it doesn't matter what colour you use because it's black and white mouth, so no matter what you change it to, it'll still be the same. You need this moustache and no beard. And these positions. And you make it black. No mole. Gender male. Body roughly around this. Don't need to get it exact because that is very tricky. So don't get stressed if you can't get it exact. And make him green, even though he's mostly dark blue. His hat is green, so you're better off doing it green. And you want these glasses. This is going to be part of the mustache. So this is really clever. When I found out about this is very clever. I thought it was very clever. You need these positions. Make them black. And why did I get this mustache, you ask? Well, to fill in the little gap there. And oh yeah, I showed you that's colour green. And then type in Luigi and you are done. So you have created Mario's brother, Super Luigi. Let's go.